Learning management systems, referred to as LMSs, allow teachers to organize and run a classroom online. Teachers may use these virtual classrooms or use them as an enhancement to their physical classroom. LMSs support synchronous and asynchronous communication. Examples of this could be podcasts or discussion boards to facilitate student interaction. Students' learning motivation is high with the use of an LMS. They enjoy online learning and being able to complete tasks at their own pace. Students who are intrinsically motivated enjoy online learning environments because they have a high degree of autonomous freedom. Today we're going to take a look at 3 different LMS options. Google Classroom is an LMS that teachers can use to post and collect assignments, manage their gradebook, and connect with students and teachers. You can personalize your Google Classroom with personal photos or different themes to make it very inviting for your students. The interface is very simple and organized. Teachers can invite students by email. Schools can set up a domain for the entire school so that all students can connect using their school Google usernames. This keeps students from having anything connected to their personal accounts. There is a class code that students can use to sign up and join your classroom. You can start posting updates and assignments. To do this, find the plus sign on the bottom of your screen. Here you can see options for posting. Other options teachers have besides creating announcements and assignments are to create questions. Your students will have to answer the question by the due date. You can make it a short answer question, or you can make it a multiple choice question. Students can also post replies to each other and edit their answers if they want to change their first answer. Everything created on Google Classroom can be given a due date and it will close at that time. You can grade assignments right on Google Classroom. Here's an example assignment that I set up about our traditional literature unit. I could give my students the grade for their post and then export all the grades to Google Sheets. On Google Sheets, the grades will copy and it will track and calculate students' class averages. Schoology is another option for a learning management system. This is the teacher's homepage where you can customize your profile with a photo, post updates, view your calendar, personal messages, and the people you are connected to. You can set up different courses and add students to their respective class. Here is my 3rd grade class page. On my feed, you can see the 2 assignments that I created for my students. One is a discussion post where the students were asked to write about themselves and other students can reply. The other is a quiz that I assigned to my students and I made right on the Schoology program. I created a true or false quiz, but they can also be multiple choice, ordering, or short answers. Here is a preview of what the quiz would look like to the students. A fun feature of Schoology is the option to award badges to students for different achievements and behaviors, such as perfect attendance, leadership, participation, and so on. Schoology allows you to easily track grades and attendance from your class page. One of the coolest features of Schoology is the ability to add apps to your profile. These apps run right in the Schoology program and can be integrated into your classroom materials and assignments. Edmodo is my personal favorite choice for an LMS. The setup is very easy to use and easy for students to navigate. It looks similar to Facebook, where teachers post updates like statuses for students and connected parents to see. You can manage multiple classes through your account and have easy access to them all on the left side of the screen. You can choose which classes to send announcements to or send them to all your students across the board. Similar to Schoology, Edmodo allows you to award badges to certain students for different behaviors. My favorite feature of Edmodo is the snapshot feature. Teachers can create quick assessments based on standards. The assessments are automatically generated and can be quickly graded by the Edmodo system. You can also create custom quizzes and set up polls for your students. Your library houses all of your documents. You can connect your Google Drive account to your library. Anything in your library can be attached to an assignment. All three of these learning management systems are very beneficial to teachers. Depending on your grade level in school, one may appeal more to your needs than another, but they are all very reliable systems of classroom management.